have a helicopter that's landed here that's been pretty amazing coming in this morning, as well as boats and different equipment that law enforcement uses to complete their jobs. So today our students will have an opportunity to hear from Houston Police Department, Department of Public Safety, and AT&T about different careers that they have. The other part that's really super is each student that's involved in this program today will get a free laptop from AT&T. So at Springwoods High School, we're super excited.